Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Centra Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. How to log into your Centra Bank account online on your computer. First open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address centra.org and don't enter, and then it'll be directed to the home page of Centra. So let's wait for it, guys. And over here, guys, after landing on the home page of Centra, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login page, a login button available for us. In order to proceed to our account, let's click on that button, and you'll be required to enter your user ID with which you have signed up for a Central Bank account, and after that enter your password over here, guys. But guys, if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot user ID or forgot password. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your user ID or reset your password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Centra Bank account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Centra Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.